Hi, welcome to Technical Fida channel again. Today I will start a new course, web development. In this course we will learn that how to build a website from scratch. Here we will learn 6 tools. Number 1 HTML. Number 2 CSS. Number 3 JavaScript. Number 4 PHP. Number 5 SQL. Number 6 Laravel framework. Before starting these tools we must know that what is client? What is server? What is client-side language? What is server-side language? What is designing language? What is programming language? So first of all, what is client? Client is a device in which web browser is installed. Through this browser we send request. Server. Server is also a device in which web browser is installed. Server give response. What is client-side language? Language is source of communication. Client-side language is a language in which tags, scripts are run, compile or parse in web browser. For example, HTML, CSS, etc. Server-side language is a language in which scripts, program are run on web server. For example, PHP, ASP, etc. Designing language. Designing language is used for creating GUI. GUI mean graphical user interface. User interact with GUI. Example are HTML, CSS, etc. Programming language is used for creating business logics. Programming languages are PHP, ASP, etc. This is the first video of this series. In the upcoming videos we will learn each tool step by step with complete details.